I'm going to walk you through how to create your Autodesk account so that you're able to sign into Fusion 360. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get Started. And then you are going to click to create your account. It's going to ask you for a country or region. In that, you're going to go ahead and select the United States. Your educational role, you're going to select that you're a student. The institution type is your high school or secondary. And then you're going to go ahead and input your date of birth. After that, you're going to go ahead and type in your first name, last name. You're going to use your school email address. And then you are going to confirm that email address and select a password. When you're finished creating your account, you'll get a email link. You'll go ahead and click on that link in your email and you'll get a page like this. You'll go ahead and click Done. It'll redirect you to a page where we have just one more step to finish up. This is an important step. You're going to want to make sure that in the name of the educational institution that you're typing in, you want Newton Senior High, Newton, Kansas. The area of study you can select, and you can select your enrollment time. So I would just say August of 2020. And then whatever your graduation is going to be. So maybe that's May of 2025. Then you can go ahead and select Next. Click Continue. Once your account's set up, you can go ahead and click Continue. And then you can go ahead and select Get Started. You'll verify that all of your information is correct. And once you've done that, it's going to say that additional documentation is needed. And so it says here we have 14 days to upload our documentation. We want to make sure that we have a school issued confirmation letter. And so that's what we're going to use for our documentation. And so if you go ahead and click on the link for the documentation, you'll get this Google Doc form that opens, and you're going to want to go ahead and click to make a copy. When you open the Google Doc, we have a form letter set up for you. So where the placeholder is, you can go ahead and type in your name. When you're finished with that, you're going to want to go ahead and click File, Download, and make a PDF document. And this PDF document is the one that you're going to want to upload to the Autodesk site so that you can gain access to your account. And so you'll want to make sure that you find that document. Go ahead and put it in the file type and select Submit.